Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the V-belt on your lawnmower. I'll begin by tipping the mower on its side. When I do this, I want to make sure I tip it so the carburetor is up so fuel won't spill. Now I can remove the blades. And now remove the blade adapter. And the key. Now remove the belt guard. Next, I'll remove the belt from the pulley. Now remove the drive cable from the transmission. And I'll remove the tension spring. Now I need to remove the belt from the pulley on the transmission. This step will vary widely from brands and models of lawnmowers. On my mower, I'm going to have to remove the transmission assembly from the mower to do this. It's secured with brackets on each wheel axle. The pulley on my lawnmower is a two-piece pulley. I'll remove the nut so I can separate the two halves. I'll use an Allen wrench to jam the pulley so it can't rotate as I remove the nut. And with the top half of the pulley removed, now I can remove the belt. Now I can install the new belt. I'll wind it through the guard and on top of the lower piece of the pulley. Then I'll install the upper half of the pulley and secure it with the nut. Now I can mount the transmission assembly back onto the mower. I'll thread the belt through the opening back to the pulley. I'll secure the transmission with the brackets. And now reinstall the tension spring. And now reinstall the drive cable. Now I'll reattach the belt to the pulley. Now reinstall the belt guard. I'll reinstall the woodruff key and the blade adapter. And I'll secure it with the bolt. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blades.